Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth here with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I've got a great opportunity to own this 2018 270 Dauntless. Nice beige color, white powder coat. Walk to the back, you can see this boat is powered with twin 300 Mercury Verados, plenty of power. Let's step aboard and see what we got. All right guys, here we are aboard this 2018 270 Dauntless. As you can see, it's got a very nice swim platform, 300 Verados, as I said before, upgraded white motors. Swim platform, including the transom bench seat, is great for the family, whether being at the island, having people aboard. Does stow away very nicely. Easy latch here. Plenty of room, cup holders. This does have the deluxe leaning post with your live well freshwater sink. As you can see, it's got plenty of rod holders throughout, rocket launchers. So we come to the helm here, flip up bolsters. You do have your digital throttle system, Simrad, autopilot with a 12-inch Evo NSS3. Let's go to the bow. This boat does have forward seating. Backrests do flip up. We've got the cushions stowed in the head. You've got a nice anchor locker up front here too as well. And for lounging, taking the wife out, kids at the island, this is a great spot to lounge, as well as a lot of storage. You also got 6 rod holders, stowable inside as well too. Another addition to this boat, as you can see, it's got JL upgraded stereo system. Guys, this boat is something to definitely consider if you want performance, whether you're going to the island, fishing. Very stable boat. My name is Braden Hedspeth. Come see me at Panama City Beach, MarineMax. You can reach me at 727-744-7304.